Good morning YouTube, it's Ryan from Curbside Cleaning. Today we have got a bit of an interesting video for you. So one of my window cleaning clients a few months ago had a pretty dirty driveway. It's an Indian sandstone. It's quite rare, you don't normally get Indian sandstone driveways, they're normally on the patios. But I said to her, I can get that up for you. So I've done a really good price. Lots of black spot on there. For some reason, not a lot of trees, but there's a lot of black spot. And I knew if she had someone who weren't going to do the job properly, that wouldn't come up and it wouldn't look great. Anyway, I don't know if you remember the video from a few months ago, where the elderly lady had been pressured by an unsolicited pressure washer to have her driveway cleaned, and then she ended up calling me because the lady across the street had used me, and we got it sorted for her. Anyway, seems like the same people might have come and pressured this lady and have cleaned her driveway, and they've done a absolutely terrible job, and obviously I'll show you when we get there. But it's so bad that I've offered to clean it for her for free to get it sorted. I just feel really bad for her. They've charged her a hell of a lot of money as well, so that's obviously not good. But they've not even cleaned it evenly across the surface. There's lots of like turbo lines in it. Obviously none of the black spots been brought up, but yeah, we're just on our way there now. I will show you the job when we get there, and I'll show you the condition that they've left her driveway in after charging her way more money than I would charge to do the whole job properly in the first place. So yeah, let's get this sorted for her and enjoy the Saturday afternoon, which doesn't look like it's going to be very sunny anyway. Catch you in a bit. The driveway, so from the surface it probably doesn't look too bad, but when you're looking at face to face, I mean, yeah, you can really see it there. Just all turbo marks, covered in black spot.
I've got a couple of people who are already asking me whether you do drive to clean, do you?
Yeah, all the time. Yeah, I'll leave you some. Yeah, perfect. Now it's a bit dry, you can really see it, can't you?
Oh yeah, you see where the cars always stand.
Yeah, it's nice and bright where the car's in. Yeah. But yeah, even not getting up this, like the black spot that you've got here is one thing. That's, you know, you need a chemical to do that. But that's, you know, that's terrible. Yeah. Really bad.
It was only cleaned must have been sometime last year.
What, when they done this?
Yeah.
No, well, I think it was this year, wasn't it?
Well, it might have been this year. Yeah, I'm losing track of when it was.
Because I see you every 8 weeks, don't I? And
yeah.
I'm sure not last time it was done, but the time before it was.
The lorry and all that. It didn't have a name on it.
No.
And I said, oh no, I've got to talk. I didn't tell him I was a widow. I said, I've got to talk to my husband about this. I can't have it done today. I said, come back another day. And he's already got his thing out, and he cleaned one square, and it looked ridiculous. One was really bright, and it was really filthy then. So I thought, oh well, yeah, okay, I'm gonna have it done anyway. So.
Yeah, it's just they do it. Yeah. They do it a lot. I said I've got another client just round the corner, same thing. Yeah. They were doing the square before. Yeah. Luckily for her, I'd cleaned her friend of hers over the road. Yeah. So she sort of said to him, "No, I'm having him do it." Yeah. And he's already booked in, sort of thing. I was looking for someone, really, you know. And it was like manna from heaven, someone knocking at the door. But that's why, I think that's what they do. They know people take pride in how their properties look. Yeah, they do. And when they get a bit dirty, especially the older generation,
walking around the back. I don't ever go around. I thought, oh, God, what does it look like? So I'm going to get all that cleaned up. Yeah. Once it warms up, I can get out.
Yeah, that's
freezing
it.
Cold, I'm not going.
And there you have it, the story. Yeah, I guess a lot of the black spot over here comes from this tree. But the black spot from here is quite bad, probably worse from under the tree. Not sure where that's coming from, but we'll get it sorted and let's get cracking. Right, so all the hypo is down now, so that was a clean followed by hypo. There is quite a few really bad black spots, so it might need a couple of treatments. I might need to put some neat on some certain areas, like this one in particular, but I'm going to leave this for 15-20 minutes. Yeah, we've got plenty of time before the next job. Wash it all down, see what happens, and we'll go from there. So we'll catch you in a minute. Right, so it's been about 20 minutes and we've seen a huge improvement already. I am going to get some neat hypo and just go over these other spots here before we wash it down, just so we can get up as much as possible. Like around here by the garage it is particularly bad, but I thought that would be the case anyway. So we get some neat in a bucket and a brush it all in, and then wash it down and we'll be good to go. Right, we are all done, guys. It's come up amazingly. I'm so happy with the result on this one. I'll quickly show you. Look at that. Pretty much all the black spots come up. There's just a few trouble areas which were, I don't know if you can see that here, you've got really close to see it. From up here you can't really see it. But we knew they were trouble areas to begin with, but yeah, nothing too noticeable. The wall came up really nice as well, which was like a nice little bonus. So yeah, I'm just going to take some photos and on to the next job today, which I won't be filming. It's just the artificial grass and patio clean, but more like a maintenance one. So catch you in the next one, guys. It'll probably come up perfect.
Pleased with that.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
No, I'm glad it's sorted for you. Yeah. You couldn't have it left.
Well, I wouldn't just
yeah, I know it's not on those. It charge you for things and.
Oh no, I've learned my lesson.
Yeah, it's
I would have left the one clean bit and hoped for the best.
Yeah.
But I didn't. I just got sucked in, you know.
I mean, I've seen it before where they have done an alright job.
Yeah.
But.
They didn't do it on you.
No. It's almost like they didn't even really clean it. They've just they've just gone whoa, 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 and called it a day.
They wasn't here as long as you've been here.
Oh really?
No.
I say, bearing in mind it was already meant to have been cleaned.
Not even driving my car or anything.
No. No, you will be alright. I would just where I've like where it's a bit wet on there.
Yeah.
If you wait for that to dry, instead of putting the dirty tyre print straight on it, but it's completely up to you. If it doesn't bother you that
I really want to label at the end now. If you're coming to me, take your shoes off at the end of the drive.
But yeah, I'll get out your hair. I'm going to go to another job now, and I'll give you a call once I've heard back from him.
I've shown it to him again.